On the International Day of Play, we are here at a cafe called Rosti in the Kormangla area in Bengaluru. Here are a couple of activities lined up for the children. If you could see, there are paints here. There's a tree, painting of a tree where the children can make imprints, and then there are other activities happening. There are a couple of books kept here. There are a couple of hopscotch games. If we see people lined up there to arrange the games, the snakes and ladder game that children are playing. This is truly how children are learning here today. If anybody from Bangalore is watching it and have children, they should definitely get them here. The children are just starting to come more and more. We see here, and this is how the environment is lit up with more and more children exploring play. So we also have with us Srinivas Bamidipati, who's the executive director of Rosti. He'll just give us a sense of what's happening here today. So tell us, why did you choose to do this at Rosti? What's the kind of importance that you see in creating spaces for play, making it more inclusive so that children can play?
Honestly speaking, it has always been like this. If you come on any Sunday morning, you will see so many children playing around and so much of activity happening. And the best part is, play is actually not only for children. This is a global reminder today to say that it is even for adults. Because for children, it may reduce stress, enhance creativity, but for adults, it will reduce stress. So both it is important. That is the reason why we do this. Not just here in Bangalore, but all Rosti cafes across India.
Now that this kind of initiative started and there are more events, so how do you plan to take this forward? As you said, this is something that's been happening, but now there's more awareness. Then there is, it is important to create places where children can explore and play. How do you take this forward? What else do you plan to do?
This is a regular event. Now, if you see, every 11th probably of the month, we will always have play areas like this being created. And every Sunday, any which way, we have a lot of play activities that happen. And that's why parents come here and relax at Rosti cafes.
That's cool. More people should join in today, and we see some of them walking in. We have some building blocks here that have been kept for the children to play. We see some interesting hopscotch games happening, and there are a couple of boards made where children can take pictures. Now we have with us Mangal Pandey from Key Education Foundation, who will just give us a sense of all the things that have been arranged today. This is such a great job done. So tell us a little bit about what is the thought that has gone behind into selecting these kind of activities. How does that help children learn better through playing?
Yeah, I think first of all, when we got this idea, we said, okay, what is the place we want to select? And Srinivas sir was very gracious enough to say, I want to build a place, I want to build a cafe where children can come and play. And then we start brainstorming on the ideas on what do we want to create. And now you see over here are activities for younger kids, even for 2 to 4-year-old. And then there are some which is physical movement and play. There's a treasure hunt over there where kids can roam around the whole cafe and actually enjoy. So it's not, we're trying to create a space which is child and play friendly, where children are not hesitating to play and run.
That's lovely. We also have Deepika Moghli-Shetty with us, who is from the Ekstep Foundation. Hi Deepika, how are you doing this morning? Tell us the idea behind the vision, right? Why is it that we have to prioritize play? What is it that children truly gain from this, and why is this important?
Okay, so as part of the Bachpan Manao campaign and mission that we're doing with a lot of organizations and with NDTV and several others across the country, one of the key things is that children learn best through play. And as India, we have to prioritize the first 8 years of childhood as a high period of abundance. And play is the easiest way to make this happen. And it can happen anywhere. It can happen in a space like this. It can happen at home where you create khel khonas. It can happen when you're driving in a car and playing word games and singing songs. It can happen anywhere. So the importance of play in all its dimensions needs to be understood. It's part of a policy framework. It is the most abundant thing everywhere. And marking a day like this as International Day of Play is actually critical in some way, because it reminds all of us adults to prioritize play. So Bachpan Manao is about playing and celebrating childhood, and we're hoping that by enabling these kinds of conversations, say play can happen anywhere, open your hearts and minds to play, whether it's out in nature, in a place like this, or in your home and in your community center across the country in villages. We're just kind of hoping that Bachpan Manao and the idea of play and the essence and value of play to build the foundation for learning can be cemented across the country.
This is a great start to what we see, what the thought is. How do we take this forward? How do we make more spaces inclusive in terms of, building them just to suitable to the kids and making every space truly what is, necessary?
I think it's very important that we pay attention to this idea and give it a priority. And once you do it, you actually find a million ideas to get the job done. And it could be things like how do you create sensory play? Then by enabling sensory play, you actually include all kinds of children in the game. Making spaces available for everybody. And government's investing in the idea of play. Whether it means training our Anganwadi workers and preschool educators in play-based pedagogy or making public spaces accessible for all age groups. Investing in play is the need of the hour. And within homes and our families and communities, adults become champions of play. Making time and space for play, and at the same time really turning around and saying, I am protecting every child's right to play.
This is all the fun that we are exploring here today. More and more children walking in. Activities happening here, as you see. This is the paintball rolling that has been done. Yes. Yeah.